Little Green Kite by Jake Janish and featured Miss Schuele. In Miss Schuele's class of geometry, there was a square named Joe, a rectangle named Randy, and a little green kite named Katz. And today they were learning the diagonals, which is a line that goes from an angle to another non-consecutive angle. After geometry class, Joe and Randy started bullying Katz about his differences and how he didn't have any parallel lines. After Katz got home, he wondered why he was so different, and all he wanted was to have properties of parallelogram, like the opposite congruent angles, and two pairs of parallel lines. The next day of school, the kids learned about the proofs and theorems and how to prove that a parallelogram was a square and a rectangle. After class, Katz was bullied again about how he could never be important because he didn't have cool features like they did. They had the alternate interior angles congruent and the same side interior angles congruent because they had parallel lines. After he visited Miss Schuele and told her what was up, Miss Schuele informed Katz of his properties, which boosted his confidence. Katz learned about his perpendicular bisector and his diagonals that bisected one of them, and his diagonals that formed four right triangles. The next day, Miss Schuele put up a proof that was a kite for Katz. Katz was so happy and that he was important. Look, they're saying he's important, question mark? And Katz is all happy. It's a proof. Miss Schuele told Katz that the others were jealous because they were generic and he looked cool. Even though he could never be a parallelogram, he was always a quadrilateral, and learning and smarts is superior to looks. From then on, Katz focused on learning geometry. He learned about triangles, Pythagorean theorem, and similarity, and was educated happily ever after. The end.